Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach,
Hey, everyone.
and you find us here in Port St. Lucie West RV Resort. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's a place to stop.
Yeah, it is. And today we're doing something a little different. We're actually doing a cookout at noon for all the residents here at Port St. Lucie. So we're going to do a hot dog cookout, and then we're going to show 1332. So we'll have 1332 on display, where they can come and have some lunch with us and meet their neighbors and chat for a while. So we're kind of excited to try something different. So we're going to take you along.
So we have a little cookout,
Yeah.
a little lifestyle, some friends, hey!
And friends waving as they go by, so that's always good.
There's always a jokester out there, I'm telling you.
So-
But yeah, a little marathon, a little lifestyle. It's something to check out.
Yeah, and thanks for watching Randy Dawn and the Marathon Coach.
Now I know you all have seen this coach because Randy and I did a video on Coach 1332, but this is the coach that we currently have visiting us down in Port St. Lucie, Florida. So I thought I would just refresh your memory about this beautiful coach. A job well done. We'll just take a quick stroll through bathroom, bedroom, and the beautiful bathroom in the back as well. We'll take a slow spin around. It's been a beautiful day here in Port St. Lucie. As you can see, everyone was enjoying the hot dog fry. Great day for a cookout and socializing and catching up with your neighbors. Anything Randy and I can help you with, please reach out. It's what we're here for. And we love to meet you.